Good afternoon, everyone. We're here opening the new Hidden Mickey or Hidden Disney pin packs here in Grizzly Peak at Smoke Dumpers Grill. We just finished lunch, so let's open these pins. All right, we found these here at Buena Vista Street. My sister's here with me, but she doesn't want to be on video, but she'll open pins for us. How many do you want to open? Two? Okay, so pick your two. That one and that one. Okay. And I'll pick first. I'll open these three, and well, here we go. And first pack, here we go. Oh, we just rip them right open. We don't need scissors. What'd you get? Mini. All right. And the second one is Thor's hammer. Now these pins were not available for trade in the parks because the parks have been closed. So this is the only way you can get these right now is to purchase them. Each pack is $12.99 and your discount does apply. All right, pack two, here we go. Is a Star Wars pin. I just dropped him. And, oh, it's Knick-Knack. Or Knick-Knack, as we call him. Alright, here we go. First pack for me. I got, ooh, Peter Pan. Peter Pan just celebrated its 68th anniversary. And then, ooh, another droid. See, it's a hidden rebellion sign. Then a Mickey. Alright, pack two. We've got Maleficent. That's going to be a highly sought out pin. Maleficent, we'll put this one with Peter Pan. And our second pin for this pack is Iron Man. And even the Marvel pins come with a rubber back, but not the Mickey one, because they're Marvel, they have to be special. So we'll put that with Thor's hammer. And our last one is, ooh, a Mardi Gras mask, Pluto themed. And our last pin for this unboxing is R2-D2. Great one to end it with. All right, so here are the pins we just opened. Which ones do you want to collect? I think the D set's the best, along with the Pixar shorts. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.